Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. Today I'm introducing you to a fun retreat in a box that myself and two of my good friends, Deborah Garrison from Simply Sweet Ink Designs and Heather Guerrero from Little Blue House Paper Crafts, have created. The three of us joined up together to create this fun retreat in a box. So what are you going to get in this retreat in a box? You're going to get 6 fun projects. The projects all use the Rainbow of Happiness bundle, which option 1 will not include. So if you already have it, that's perfect. Option 2, if you don't have it, you want to include it because you will need it for these projects. So the projects are, first we have this cute shaker box that Deborah had created. And we have this little treat bag that Heather Guerrero created. And I believe the Bath & Body Works hand lotions will fit inside this bag. A little idea there. I created this little treat bag that holds 2 packages of Skittles. Skittles is the rainbow flavor candy. And we have 3 cards. This one is Heather's, and it's a fancy fold as well. Here is mine, which is a fancy fold. And here is Deborah's. So this retreat box is going to include all the materials to make the 6 projects, plus a PDF tutorial that has the step-by-step instructions to put the projects together, and 3 videos to show how to do the 3 3D projects. And we have some fun pillow gifts included for you. Some are edible, some are non. Also, you'll get $27 in Stampin' Up! Product, which will be a spool of the organdy ribbon, a full pack of the Brights DSP, and a package of the sequins that we use, the sparkly sequins. So we have some add-on suggestions. We use the cloud punch, so you might want to add that on. You can see we should use it in a couple of the projects. We will provide you with those clouds in your project, so you don't have to have the punch. The basic border dies, we use this one here to create the clouds here. And these are the inks that we use to create our rainbows, but you can use any colors you already have. If not, you'll be able to add these on. It's Melamambo, Pacific Point, Mango Melody, Coastal Cabana, and Daffodil Delight. If you have any questions about this retreat in a box, you can let me know. Just click on the registration link under this video to register and fill out the form, and it'll pretty much self-explanatory. Again, there's going to be an option that includes the bundle, which is the stamp set, and the dies, or the one without, which will just have all the products. They both include the PDF, and they both include the fun pillow gifts. So if you have any questions, let me know. You guys all have a great day and take care. Bye.